Hello, welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can contact Wix.com live chat. So this is a simple thing to do. There is a few steps that you will need to follow in order to get to live chat. So let's start off by jumping straight into it. So the first thing that we need to do once we are on our Wix dashboard is go to the top left-hand corner, click on the help icon, and then you want to go down once you get this and then scroll to the bottom and then select contact us. So once you do this, what you can then do is you simply want to go ahead and go to the chat, and then you want to type in speak to advisor. Now, once you do this, it will come back and it should ask you to describe the problem that you are having. So as you can see, I understand you'd like to speak to an advisor. Could you provide more details? So you want to just put something simple about the problem that you are currently experiencing. So it doesn't have to be long, just something really simple. Once you send this, it will say, okay, I'm going over the details. It will look at your answer and then it will come back to you with a couple of different options. But then what you need to do is you then want to type in advisor. What you will then get is that the chatbot will then say that they will contact you with an expert. What you want to do is just choose the relevant topic in which the problem you are having. So you can go ahead and select any of these. So for example, I will click on designing my site. And then as you can see, before I connect you with an expert, would you like to edit your description? No, you can just go ahead and click on send this. And then once you send this, as you can see now, you will then get an option to start a live chat. All you simply need to do is click on live chat right here, and then you will then be put through to a live chat advisor on Wix.com.